Hello everybody. When Apple company released the iPhone, the whole world was shocked. It finally made us realize that we can use mobile phone in this way. Nowadays, our company want to get the similar realization. The only difference is that we let the mobile phone to the smart home fields. Smart home system is to integrate and control various devices associated with family. No matter where you are, you can remotely control the various devices in your home through mobile phone, computer, notebook, and pen. Next, I will show you how our smart system working. Now we use the Samsung mobile phone to have a test. Firstly, we connect the power to our gateway. When the power on, now we press the app. This is the login window. Firstly, when you first use this software, you have no account, so we need to register an account. Now press this way. Now you can see the nickname, host IP, port, and the service name. Now we can use the KinCony counter, like this information to register. I press all the information to this form, then press save. And now you can click the username and press the password. And this is two options. This is when the option is enabled, you can load the data from the gateway. When you first use the software, we press this operation. And this is remember the password. We can check this one. Now we login. When login succeed, you can see this window. At the top of the window, this can choose the floor. Now, all these Windows information created by PC software. When you on PC software, you can create the information about the floor, the room, and the device in every room. We can change the floor. When you have many floors, you can see this list. And this is room list. And the buttons, there are 4 sections. One is home, and the monitor. Monitor is the IP cameras window. You can list all you installed IP camera in this form. And this is scenes. These scenes you can define on PC to make many actions by only one button to execute these things. And the last one is the information. When you see this window, the first is the security check. When we press it, you can see all the sensor, and you can enable or disable every sensor, and return. And this is a real-time monitor options. When you open these functions, you can view the cameras. Meanwhile, you control the lights or other device. And this is sound. If you enable these functions, you can listen the software when you click the functions. It will be sound to indicate to you. And this is language. This has 3 languages to choose, such as simple Chinese, traditional Chinese, and English. Or if you have another language, we can add to it. And this is communication notes. And the last one is software information works. Now we return to the home. This is the office room. When you into the office room, you can see the light, and on the buttons you can see the humidity, temperature, and PM 2.5 values. You can see these values by our sensors. And click the lights. You can see the apps list. You can turn on or turn off the apps and return. Now we enter the living room. You can see the curtains, the lights, and the IP cameras, air conditioning, and other devices. The curtains, you can open, stop, and close these curtains. Press the open, then the curtain will be open. If you press the close, then the curtain will be closed. And this is lights. And this is IP camera. The IP camera's window will be large, and you can turn left or turn right, or up or down. Now we return to main window. And there is air conditioning. You can open or close the air conditioning and change the temperature and change the mode and other functions in this window. And this is others. In this window, you can define the functions by yourself. We return to the main window. Now all functions can be remote controlled by your mobile phone. And this is Android operating system's demo. And the iOS iPhone is also the same to the Android window style. So, do you have interest in our smart home system? Then you don't miss the following contents. Now, please follow me to have a look. All these magnetic functions attribute to these products. There are 4 types of smart home hosts made by KinCony company. They are a brain of the entire smart home system. Then they send a wireless signal to device. Our system has 4 features. First, the system includes lighting control, home application control, home energy management, family security monitoring, home environmental regulation, and so forth. These functions can be increased and decreased according to your demand, so it's reduced cost. Second, KC868-F can support 2 kinds of wireless technology, ZigBee and radio frequency at the same time, which allows you to view your real-time operation state of equipment. For example, when you remotely open or close your curtains, it can display whether the curtain is opened or closed and what is the curtain's position. Third, compared with other similar products, our smart home system belongs to the wireless control, which need to know wiring and change circuit. It's very convenient to install, no matter before or after decoration. Fourth, you can control almost all brand appliances with IR remote by our products such as Sony, Samsung, Panasonic, and so forth. So we have enough confidence in development experiments. As a manufacturer, KinCony company have been focused on research and development of smart home control system and intelligent control products over 10 years. There are PCB history. Now we are looking at this board. This is the MCU development board, and this is the GPS and GPIS board, and some of this is our smart home control systems PCB board. Now look at this way. there are patents we have got. At the same time, we have published many books now used in college and universities as teaching materials. We supply several ways of cooperation. First, we offer OEM customer service of the smart home host. Here are two ways. One, we can provide you the product without a KinCony brand. Without a KinCony brand packaging. Two, print your logo on product and packaging. We can redesign the hardware, change the PCB board according to your needs, and so as to adapt your PCB board to your product box. The system software can also be customized, even include the UI design, and so forth. In fact, with our cooperation, then you will have a research and development team. You do the market, we give you the support. And second, we can provide development of the internet products. For example, when you have good ideas in fields of intelligent country, but you have no technology, we can provide you with the professional technology solutions. The last one, we can help to upgrade the traditional products. Take our ZigBee module for example. If you are a home appliance manufacturing, just embed our ZigBee module in your products, such as LED lights, electrical kitten, water heat, and so forth. Then you can remote control your device and have a real-time view by mobile phones or by computers. In this way, your product will be greatly competitive than your peers. Dear friends, if you want to know more about us, you can visit our KinCony website and get more details. I believe as long as there is enough creative, whether smart home or traditional industry, you can both bring big surprise to user. We are looking forward to giving you a different life experience and the expectation of reinvention of traditional products. Thank you.